Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're here at TMC at 181 East Houston Street, and we are here with one of my favorite products to drink. This is Rise. This is the Nitro Brewing Company's Oat Milk Mocha. This has been one of my favorite products for the longest time. This is oat milk, this has chocolate, and everything all in a nice, comfy coffee package. Now they do have one that is black that has 180 milligrams of caffeine. This one, because it has other stuff inside, it has 80 milligrams of caffeine, but it is still vegan, it is still non-GMO, and there are no nuts because it's not using anything like almond milk or anything like that. Now if you want to take a quick look, these are the nutrition facts on the back, and let's see what it has here. Total fat 5 grams, sodium 190 milligrams, sugars 15 grams, protein 1 gram protein, but this is my favorite tasting one. And if you've never had the nitrogen drinks that they have here, this is what it sounds like opening. Now that's the nitrogen kind of escaping. You may think if you hear this that something's exploding, like a Coke can is exploding, but nope, that's just the noise that it makes. But this has been one of my favorite ones here, and also good, naturally sweet, low acidity, clean energy, and it says the equivalent of 1 cup of coffee. Now in a previous video that I made, I tried the black coffee. Now that's pretty potent because it's literally just water and coffee. That's all it is. But this has such a nice creamy, rich flavor, and the oat milk is really good for me personally because I'm not sure if I have something with milk, but whenever I have coffee and milk, I get a stomach ache. Whenever I have milk by itself, I'm fine. It's that combination that just doesn't sit well for me. But whenever I have something like oat milk, it tastes better to me, and it just works with me. It's really strange. I've been having milk all my life, never had an issue, but whenever I put it with coffee or a latte or anything like that, I just get issues. But hey, that's just me. This is something I would recommend everyone having. You can get this from around $2.99 to $3.99 depending where you get it from. We have it here at the store along with some other stuff, but I'm happy because this again has been one of my favorite drinks of all time. It's just the perfect little combination of coffee in the morning to go with your breakfast or whatever else you're having. It is really good. And another thing, we have hot summers here and cold winters here in New York City. It is one of those things that works either on a very hot day or a very cold day, at least for me. Sometimes cold drinks are only good when they are hot, but the creaminess of this gives it that perfect balance that works on really hot days and really cold days. Again, one of my favorites here. Alright guys, if you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. You can find me on Instagram at m8b9. You can also email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. But thank you so much for watching. Again, this has been Rise, the Nitro Brewing Company's, let's get that here, Oat Milk Mocha Nitro Cold Brew Coffee, dairy-free, 7 ounces. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.